Hello mga idol, ngayon maglinis tayo ng aircon. Tara, samahan nyo ako guys. Bago ng lahat, intro muna tayo.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working night.
Okay, linisin na natin itong carrier, window type, 1.5 horsepower. Yan, lamin nito guys. Ang kinagandaan nitong aircon na to ay madali nating kakalasin yung kaha. Yan, tanggalin lang natin yung mga tornilyo na yan, as iangat natin yung kaha nya at pwede natin tanggalin yung motor pan nya. Yan, para malinisan natin lahat.
Fight, never quit.
At habang kinakalas ko yung mga tornilyo, kung bago ka lang sa akin channel, huwag kalimutang i-like and share itong video at mag-comment sa baba. And huwag kakalimutan mag-subscribe and click notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagoong videos. Okay?
Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill. I know life's short, so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel?
At last, yan, kakalasin na natin itong nasa likuran nya. Ano, diba? Saglit lang matanggal. Next, itong nasa unahan naman. Yan, ngayon ay first cleaning niya kasi bago lang to. Ngayon pa lang lilinisan. Yan. Ako pa lang nakakabinyag nito.
They wanna say my name but they holding back. They wanna say they hate but they know.
At yun na, last na tornilyo. At pwede na natin itong kalasin. Angat lang natin, dandahan. Alright, yan, natanggalan natin. Tapos sunod itong motor fan nya. Yan, 4 na tornilyo lang yan, sa dalawa sa likod, dalawa sa harap, pero kasama na dun yung kanina. Yan. Bago lahat, tanggalin muna natin yung yung wire nya doon sa kanyang system, sa may nya, parang nya, computer box. Yan, tanggalin natin. Saglit lang siya guys, isang tornilyo sa ilalim lang para mahugot nyo. At yun, matatanggal yun na yung yung galing sa compressor at ang sa motor pan. Yun, natanggalan natin. Kakalasin na natin itong motor pan. Yan, angat lang to. Yun, swabe ang pagkaangat. Yan. Tapos lilinisin na natin. Yun, marumi siya. Kitang-kita nyo guys. Makikita nyo yung dumi niyan, bumabaha. Bubugan natin itong power sprayer. Yan. Kailangan nyo ng siyang pressure water para talagang matanggal ang dumi. Yan, taas baba lang pag inabubugahan sa may niya para talagang solid yung dumi na matatanggal.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad there's no control in me. My thoughts get so bad I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face just to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit and I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Okay, tapos na nating linisin, bugahan. Ngayon, papatuloy na natin at ikakabit na natin isa-isa yung mga kinalas nating mga accessories niya, yung motor pan, yung kanya power supply patawan, so yung capacitor. Tanggalin lang natin yung tubig, mas punasan, tapos kakabit na natin yun. Balik na natin doon sa kwarto at para ma-testing. yun, nakabit na natin yung aircon, binuksan natin. Yun, ang lamig niya guys. Lamig yan. Ugaliin natin guys na linisin tong aircon every 2 to 3 months para mapanatali natin ang lamig. Okay?
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nights.